Agency in Nakasero, Kampala. The visiting delegation was led by the President of the National Assembly of Slovenia. The Right Honorable Among emphasized that Uganda will only work with the international partners who respect Uganda's cultures, morals and values. She noted that what is accepted in one country may not be accepted in another country. This was in apparent reference to some countries in Europe and the United States which have cautioned the Ugandan government against ratifying the anti-homosexuality bill which Parliament passed a few weeks ago.
We can disagree, but objectively. We will disagree objectively. We know what we know what we want as a country. We believe in our values. We believe in our cultures. The European Union and the European world has its own cultures, has its own values. But as Uganda, we cherish ours, and we will make sure as Parliament of Uganda that makes laws will always continue to protect what belongs to Uganda and what is good for Ugandans. But that does not stop us from being friends with other people who believe in other things.
The Right Honorable Among also emphasized that Ugandan government was committed to promote human rights and democracy.
And when people talk about rule of law, we believe in rule of law in Uganda. We believe in democracy. We have lived all these years in this kind of life, but we don't have any problem, and we'll always continue working with the countries that are willing to work with us, and we believe in peace. When you look at Uganda, most of the refugees that are coming from all the other countries, Uganda is the host. We are hosting. That shows you how friendly we are.
The Speaker Among and the President of the National Assembly of Slovenia agreed to sign a Memorandum of Understanding that will guide the relationship between the two countries.
We are in this world to work for humanity. The two parliaments should be able to work for these two countries, Uganda and Slovenia, so that we can leave these countries better than the way we got them.
We want to build strong relations. We want to exchange our experience, and we want to bring business in Uganda and to Slovenia. So from Uganda to Slovenia and from Slovenia to Uganda.
Slovenia expects Uganda to support her in the forthcoming election in the UN Security Council elections.
I talked with Madam Speaker about Slovenia's candidacy for a non-permanent seat on the UN Security Council for the term of 2024-2025. And I personally thank her if she could convey the message to the people who will bring this decision.
We are going to relay this information as we have agreed to our head of state, and our head of state believes in relationships.
The President of the National Assembly of Slovenia agreed with the Right Honorable Anita Among on the need for mutual respect of other countries, noting that it was for peace and security of other countries.
We are especially pleased with this and welcome the improved ties between the two parliaments, because we believe that respectful communication and strengthening ties between the countries or among the countries can bring peace and stability and solidarity to the world.
She commended Uganda for promoting environmental conservation and wildlife and pledged support to the wildlife sector. Ramson Muhire, Church of Uganda.